Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to invite people to your LinkedIn group. This is a great way to grow your community and connect with professionals who share similar interests or work in your industry. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to linkedin.com. Once you're on the page, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're using the account that has administrative access to the group you want to manage. After you've successfully logged in, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll see a navigation menu with various options. From there, click on Groups. This will take you to a page displaying all the LinkedIn groups you're part of, including the ones you manage. Now scroll through the list and find the specific group you want to invite people to. Once you've located it, click on the group name to open it. This brings you to the group's main page where you can see recent posts and activity from members. On the left side of the group page, you'll notice several management options. Look for and click on Manage Group. This section gives you access to all the administrative tools you need to run your group effectively, from moderating posts to managing membership. Within the Manage Group section, you'll see another menu on the left side. Click on Invited. This is where you can view pending invitations and send new ones to your connections who might be interested in joining your group. Next, click on Invite Connections. LinkedIn will now display a list of your first-degree connections who aren't already members of your group. This makes it easy to identify potential members who might benefit from or contribute to your community. Now comes the selection process. Go through the list and select the people you want to invite by clicking the checkbox that appears before their profile picture and name. You can invite multiple people at once, so feel free to select as many connections as you think would be a good fit for your group. Once you've made your selections, click Invite. LinkedIn will send out invitations to all the people you've chosen, and they'll receive a notification about your group invitation. And that's it. You've successfully invited people to your LinkedIn group, helping to expand your professional community and create more opportunities for meaningful discussions and networking. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.